As you guys might know, we had to say goodbye to the Helljet last video. We had to tear every single part off the Helljet and send the chassis back to Dodge. But what you guys don't know is why you wasn't looking. We took and rebuilt the Helljet from the ground up. And she's back, baby.
I've seen the proof, I know the truth. This isn't what I was made to do. I was born for this. I was born for this.
The Helljet is back and she's better than ever because before she was down to her full race spec package. She didn't have no interior. Actually, you know what? Instead of telling you, why don't I show you? Before, you couldn't do this. Look how luxurious the back seat of this thing is now. I could sleep back here, it's so good. So obviously, besides from full interior, it's got a whole new wrap on it. And the guys up at Midwest Garage are so awesome because they put a new wrap on it. Look at what else I did. They put custom Helljet emblems on it. I didn't even know you could make custom emblems, and they did it. To be honest, when I first seen this car, I lost my freaking mind.
Real quick, we went all out on this thing.
All out?
So there's a lot of moving parts on this.
All right, should I walk over here?
No, you're good.
Oh my, all right, let's see it. Oh my God. What the heck? What? Oh, what'd you do to the badge? Oh my God, it looks so good. Can't even see where I messed up the bumper or nothing. What is that? Oh, that looks cool. Oh my God, it says Helljet on it. It's just a whole new car. It's brand new. And then they let me do the biggest, smokiest burnout in the brand new wrap shop they have. And I might have broke their concrete a little bit. The guys that just put this flooring down wanted to test to see how tough it is. And as redneck scientists, we have to with a burnout.
Should I give you these if you haven't paid for it yet?
Oh, don't worry, I'll come back and pay for it. Not like you'll be able to catch me. Oh, you might need to mop that. It's not like there's Bentleys and Lamborghinis in this building right now.
Toolboxes are smoking. Go look at this.
Oh God! Oh no! Get on out of there. You're making us look bad. I'm not a detective here. I'm pretty sure he went in that direction. Oh my God, look at her. She looks so good. So it's still 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi. Twin turbos on there, Hellion twin turbo kit. Got the blow off valve, got the E-Boost Turbo Smart, all the good stuff. It still runs on E90 Ignite racing fuel and makes 1,300 horsepower. So she is ready to rip. How much work was it to put together? Dude, we had this car down to a bare chassis. There was nothing in this at all whatsoever. And we built this thing part by part by part. Every single thing on it, we put on it. We put the engine, transmission, rear end, tires, wheels, and I had to figure out how to make a non-wide body charger, a wide body charger. You know, you might not believe me, but this is actually an old police car that we bought, tore completely down, pulled the 5.7 out of, and then turned it into the new Helljet V2. And it even runs. Oh my God, listen. Oh yeah. All right guys, here's the deal. Dom and Micah have not seen the Helljet yet, so we hid it in the alley, and now we're gonna show it to them, see what they think. What do you think?
Oh,
damn! Look at it!
Holy!
I know she's a ripper.
Ooh, look at that!
Dude, I know. Look, they put custom emblems on it. The guys up at Midwest Garage, Zach, he put custom emblems on it. He put the custom Ford Chevrolet stuff on it. It says Helljet on the back. Dude, it's epic. It's good stuff.
Dude, this is sick.
What's up, dude? You
Appreciating something that's obviously on camera for a reason. What's in it?
4-cylinder.
A 4-cylinder?
Yeah.
Is that a joke? What is this thing for then?
Well, we try to make it go fast, but it constantly breaks down, so it never goes fast. I want to talk about how great the Helljet is, but we took the Helljet to SEMA, and it broke down outside the building, and we had to push it into the building. Dude, the thing is, we should have taken it to SEMA looking like this. It looks so much better this way. Who wants to go in a ride for it? We're gonna put the seatbelts on in case we end up in a ditch. Oh, dude! Man, I don't know about that.
She's all over the place. Can you imagine that on the snow?
I'm trying to just lean into it to keep it from spinning, but once the turbo's light, it's like... Wow! It's so good at burnouts. Imagine if this thing had survived and actually did the burnout competition at Mopar.
Oh, there wouldn't have been a competition.
No, it wouldn't have
We'd
been.
won.
Oh, damn! God, that's just so intoxicating. You just never get tired of it.
Just keep doing that.
Yeah, I know.
Every time.
Oh! I've got a big box. I bought the cheapest four-wheeler on Amazon. This should be able to move this sculpted body. Dude, I don't remember. I think I got a blue one. Ooh, look, there's a picture. There is a little bit of what it looks like. Dude, it's gonna be so small. It's gonna be super tiny. 200 cc's, this bad boy's gonna be fast. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Dude, this thing will be good. Look, it's got a little rack that goes on the back.
Some assembly
It's so
required.
shiny. We're gonna use a Chinese steel knife to cut the Chinese steel four-wheeler out of the crate. What's this? Is that the...
That goes right there.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Chinesium. EPA certificate. Name Junsing Taiking Sports Vehicle Manufacturing Co. Ltd. Otang Dongfang Industrial Park. Would you trust a four-wheeler from Otang Dongfang?
No.
Dude, I bet you this is a good four-wheeler. Look at it. Ain't no way it could be bad. It's got little lights for neutral and reverse. Look, shocks. Wait, are you seriously the shocks ain't on it? Dude, the spindles aren't even on it. This thing is a lot of assembly required.
This is how this is how the brand new four-wheelers come, even from America.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, not so shitty, but
Look how they have a remote reservoir, but there's nothing on it.
that's just for looks.
Yeah, I'm serious. There's nothing on it. So there's a brake on this side, there's a brake on that side. We need to put the handlebars on. We need to put the tires and wheels on, the shocks on, the spindles on, the seat in it, the battery in it, hook up all the wiring, and then we can put some gas in and see if it even starts. Oh, are them the front brakes? Dude, this thing don't even have disc brakes on it. It's got drum brakes.
That's exactly what that is.
It's got drum brakes. Oh my God. These sons of bitches lied. Dude, what? This is a lie. Do you see what this says? 200cc, 200 cc's, right? That's what it says. If you look right here, it says 168.8 cc's. I have been cheated. Look at the seal. It's halfway installed on that side. Not halfway on the other side. Here, hold on. Fixed it. See, if you know what you're doing, you can build a good four-wheeler out of all this stuff.
You're gonna call this thing good?
This thing is good. Do you think Jeff Bezos would sell me a bad four-wheeler?
Yeah, kind of.
He don't sell me bad anything else.
That's cool.
Tire went on. I'm already flying this thing together.
Can't grab that. That's not attached.
Got it?
Yep.
Oh man! Did you see the way it just sandwiched that shock in there? You zipped tie on the hubcap? Man, I never knew these Chinese people were like us. Good go! Dude, the spacing is right. God dang. We had to steal some parts off my old Chinese four-wheeler that's like 20 years old and looks like shit. About there. All right, let me grab some gas. I'll pour some gasoline in it, and then we'll put a battery in it and see if it'll start. Dude, I'm actually kind of excited. What do you think? How bad or good do you think it's gonna be?
It's gonna be pretty bad.
Dude, I doubt it. I bet you it'll run. You ready to hear the power? Give her a good old couple pumps. What'd I tell you? Oh, did we check if it had any oil?
No, we didn't.
No, hold on. Let's check, make sure it's got oil in it. Oh yeah, she's full. All right, let's see how she goes. Oh, brakes work. Oh, she's ripping. The turning radius is not good. This is all the turning radius it has. Not sure because it just hits my knee or what the deal is. It's not good at all. Dude, it's just like it's marshmallowing over to side. It just like, it's so bad. Huh? Dude, I'll smoke your ass.
Oh yeah?
Hear that? 168 cc. wins.
You want to do a real race?
We just did a real race
No,
and I
I'm
won.
being serious. I know where a perfect place to race is.
I do too, and I just won. Hear that?
Yeah.
That's power.
But listen to this then.
Kind of sounds like it's farting. Mine sounds like sophisticated. You want to ride it though? You're the ATV dude here. Here, no, seriously, get on it, ride it. See what you think. Let her rip, Tater Chip. Oh, look how fast it is. Did I look that stupid riding it?
Stupider.